Staying on football, True Juice Football Club got a much-needed shot in the arm as three sponsors pumped over $13 million into their coffers for this season of the JFF Championship. This as they make a push towards Jamaica Premier League promotion. Denise Walters reports.
True Juice Football Club have been there or thereabouts in the JFF Championship, missing out on promotion to the Jamaica Premier League in back-to-back seasons after making it to the final round of playoff. Recently, the club received a significant injection of cash to support its promotion push this season. $7 million came from True Juice, distributed by Tradewind Citrus Limited, $4 million from Jambeth, and $2.75 million from Wasinko through its Water and Empower brands. First Vice President at the club, Christopher Williams, says another $4 million will complete their budget.
Right now we have 42 players in the squad. So it's a big squad. We have 15 more games to go. Of that 15, 7 will be traveling. So that's a big money. And nutrition, health, all of those costs will swallow up this.
Tidekwan Wedderburn is the captain of the team.
I wish we could get some more sponsors going forward in the season. And it's a great feeling, and I hope it motivate the boys going forward.
Now, if True Juice makes it to the JPL, Williams says they'll be looking at a budget of about $50 million.
First, when you go in the big league, the transfer is gonna swallow up a lot of that. Then you have to feed these guys twice per day, traveling, nutrition, injury recovery, medical expense. It's a big thing. You have to have a bigger staff.
True Juice FC just missed the semi-final round of the playoffs last season, losing out to the promoted Spanish Town Police FC. Previously, they lost out in the final playoff round to Treasure Beach in 2023 and the Chapelton Maroons in 2024.
Last year was the easiest, I think, but it came with indiscipline from certain players. They brought a little disruption in the camp and cost us. This year, I think we have assembled the best team ever. So it's no.
It's the best we ever come together, and the sponsors and every single thing come together and on board.
The team is currently third in the championship on 8 points, having won 2 games and drawn 2. JFF's president Michael Ricketts and St. Catherine FA's president Elaine Walker-Brown were on hand at the recent handing over ceremony. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.